Quilt Bomb, B.O.M. Have you joined one? Are you participating in several Block of the Month projects for 2020? Today I want to share with you my favorite Block of the Month Quilt Alongs for 2020.
I'm Andy, and this is True Blue Quilts, a place to enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt.
We're talking about Block of the Month projects. Be sure to scroll down to the description below this video to get all the links to the projects I mention. And be sure to stay to the end for a special surprise.
Pat Sloan is one of the most inspiring celebrities I know. She is a fantastic teacher and shares so much quilting goodness. Her 2020 Block of the Month is Out West. January's block was an 8-point star. I love star blocks and can't wait to get started on this project. Pat Sloan shared the Fat Quarter Shop's Block of the Month project recently on her YouTube channel. Isn't Bloomtopia gorgeous? The best thing about Bloomtopia is that it benefits the Make-A-Wish Foundation, a charity that supports severely ill children. Find all the details on the Fat Quarter Shop's website. I am a big fan of the Quilter's Planner, and one of the cool features is that along with the calendar, you get a magazine with lots of patterns, including the 2020 Block of the Month. This is a great modern quilt, and I'm starting to see January blocks pop up on Instagram in fabulous colorways. An annual tradition is the monthly color challenge hosted by Patterns by Jen. For 2020, her colors are inspired by birds. Jen encourages you to sew from your stash, which is good motivation for anyone with a resolution to use what you have. I can't wait to dig into my yellow scraps for the January Finch block. You will have to wait until July for Gnome Angel's 100 Days, 100 Blocks Quilt Along. Angie took the 2019 Kinship Fusion design in a new direction with a pattern called Make the Cut. I can't wait to dive in.
I will be hosting a Quilt Along in February of 2020, so be sure to visit truebluequilts.com for all the details on that project.
Get more information about an inventory quilt on the Just Wanna Quilt podcast, or hop over to truebluequilts.com for details about our February sew-along.
Of course, there are many talented quilt designers that have planned Block of the Month projects for 2020. Leave a comment below sharing your favorites so we can all be inspired.
Have you finished a 2019 project and need some quilting design ideas? Check out my free motion quilting videos for inspiration. Hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.